This is my review of the Raptor Super Duty discharge deck kit. You can see it's installed now. What I've done is I've cut away a portion of the deck here and a little bit of the deck over here to enlarge this deck opening. I haven't tried it out yet, but I will today. Give a review afterwards. The kit comes with this bracket here that's bolted in. I thought about welding it in. I might come back later and weld it onto the deck, grind off some metal here and here and weld it on. Overall, it was pretty easy to install. I left a little bit of this steel right here to give the deck some rigidity. This is a soft steel. You can feel when you're cutting through it that it does cut very easily. It's not very hard at all, as hard as I was hoping it would be. I did cut away some of the deck down over here, and then I did slice into this bracket a little bit. I'll show you from the other angle. Over here, I did remove some of the bracket along here, and then down here, it did have a metal piece that went straight down right here, and I did cut it off to keep this kind of metal front piece that kind of extends all the way out over here. I wanted to keep that rigidity. And it has a stop here. I don't know what's this hole in the stop for. I haven't figured that out. But it does retain that. Overall, we'll try it out and see if it works pretty good.